In this video, I'm going to give you a quick and honest review of Acorns, the app that promises to invest your spare change and help you build wealth without thinking about it. If you're wondering whether it's actually worth using in 2025, this review will make it clear. Acorns is designed for people who want to start investing but don't know where to begin. The idea is simple. You link your debit or credit card, and Acorns automatically rounds up your everyday purchases. Those tiny amounts, 50 cents here, 20 cents there, get invested into a diversified portfolio. And honestly, that small change idea is pretty clever. It feels effortless, and it turns regular spending into something productive, which is great, especially if your daily coffee habit isn't going anywhere. Now, let's talk about the features. Acorns offers an investment account, retirement accounts, custodial accounts for kids, and even a checking account with a metal card. You also get options like roundup multipliers, recurring deposits, educational videos, and even ESG-focused portfolios. The interface is clean, beginner-friendly, and very easy to set up. No confusing charts, no overwhelming menus. But let's be honest, Acorns isn't perfect. The biggest drawback is the monthly flat fee. Plans cost around $3 to $12 per month, depending on what you choose. And here's the catch. If you only have a small balance, that flat fee takes a big bite. For example, a $3 monthly fee on a $200 account as well. Let's just say your spare change might be working harder than your actual balance. That's the part many beginners don't realize at first. Another limitation is control. You can't pick individual stocks, you can't actively trade, and you don't get advanced tools or deep customization. Acorns is built for long-term, automated investing, not for people who want to manage their portfolio actively. And transferring money out of Acorns can come with extra fees, especially if you want to move your investments to another brokerage. So, who is Acorns perfect for? It's ideal for beginners, busy people, or anyone who likes the idea of investing automatically without thinking too much about it. If you struggle to save, Acorns makes saving feel natural and effortless. And yes, watching your spare change grow over time can be surprisingly motivating. But if you already invest elsewhere, want more control, or care about keeping fees as low as possible, there are better platforms out there. Acorns works best as a simple, beginner-friendly starting point, not as your forever investing home. Let me know in the comments if you've tried Acorns or are considering switching to it. If this review helped you out, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more honest and easy-to-understand reviews of investing apps and financial tools.